Dr. Tariq Ramadan's biography of the Prophet Muhammad is both concise and lucid, in keeping with the eloquent style of the author's own phraseology. Though it may not provide the level of study and analysis that one may seek to get from an academic such as Dr. Ramadan, the book is unique in that it attains the objective of striking a balance between the eloquent narrative and literary style of the author and the spiritual significance that characterizes the meaning and message of the Prophet Muhammad's teachings. This book is more of an intimate portrait of the spiritual and moral dimensions of the Prophet Muhammad's message, rather than a historical document focused on the study of names, places, and events. As can be expected from a book such as this one, the literary style is very easy to follow, and it employs a contemporary and culturally appropriate use of language to bridge the gap between the ancient Eastern tradition and contemporary Western culture. Unlike some of the previously mentioned books, the reader is not required to understand or even to recognize Arabic terminologies, as such references are very minimal in this book, making the book lighter and clearer to read. It's a worthy title for the completely new reader of the Seerah, and perhaps even more appropriate for those studying the Prophet's biography from an external perspective as either non-Muslims or even completely new initiates of the faith. However, this may not be the most resourceful or effective source of reading from which one can hope to extract a detailed and elaborate study of the events, people and places mentioned in the Seerah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But nevertheless, it's a beautiful introduction to the Prophet's biography and is presented in a style that can easily be understood by almost anyone.